How to fix link previews or thumbnails not showing in WhatsApp on your iPhone 8 Plus.
First, open WhatsApp. Tap the chat where you want to send the link. Make sure the link is valid and publicly accessible. For example, I will paste a public link, https://www.wikipedia.org. You can copy and paste any publicly accessible link.
Here, don't send it immediately. Wait a few seconds after pasting the link. WhatsApp usually needs a moment to generate the preview automatically. If the preview still doesn't appear, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or cellular connection can prevent WhatsApp from loading the website information needed to create the preview. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then scroll down to see available updates.
If WhatsApp has an update available, tap Update. If the problem continues, close WhatsApp completely and reopen it. You can also restart your iPhone and try sending the link again. And that's how you can troubleshoot link previews not showing in WhatsApp on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.